Okay, for today, we will see how effective these cleaning tablets are. Disclaimer, not a sponsored video, sana lang. Okay, locally packed ang item in Cavite and a lot cheaper than those imported from China. Sabi sa instructions, just drop 2 tabs and do a wash or soak cycle. No rinse kasi magbababad kasi tayo. Our washing machine has been in service for 4 years now and it has not been cleaned ever pa. So, tignan natin kung gaano kadami yung dumi na makukuha natin later. Okay? So, it is after 2 hours. Dapat makakita na kayo ng sediments just like what I'm seeing now floating in the drum. Ito na, kadiri na. Nag-start na maging kadiri. Then let the water stand for another 2 to 4 hours para matunaw pa yung iba pang outside or around the drum. Grabe, ano po. Okay, so this is 4 hours. Ayan. Proof na these tabs do work. 30 tabs siya for 450 pesos at 40 pesos lang ang shipping. Approximately, lumalabas na 30 pesos lang per wash cycle mo for a cleaner tub. Not bad, right? As you can see here, daming naiwan sa filter and around the drum. Ew, kadiri, ano yan. So, hugasan nyo lang, hose down lang for final rinse if you prefer so. Mas hinam yung hose. So, effective yung tablets. Congratulations.
Ano? So, yan dahil pwede mo siya kasi hindi natin
Game na! Reminders muna. Thank you.
Opening games mga subscribers ko. Only 1 comment per subscriber will be accepted. Do not edit your answer. First comment with the correct answer wins. The game will run for a week or until I've acknowledged the correct answer or whichever comes first. Otherwise, the load value will be added to the next video. So have fun you guys. Thank you.
Up for grabs for this video ay 200 peso globe load. Woohoo! Grabe. Ang tanong, ilang beses lumabas ang avatar or anime ko sa video? And magkano ang product including shipping? Yun lang. Good luck. Thank you. Until the next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye.